The cottagecore aesthetic is so popular right now. It's because it adds a bit of magic into everyday life, which is something we all need right now. Cottagecore is ethereal, enchanting, and playful. Watch this video to get this entire look. The first step to any beauty routine is using serum. I will be using Lancome's Advanced Genifique Serum. You just need a pump and apply it all over your face. Next, it's important to protect your skin. Always use a skin moisturizer that has SPF. I will be using Exuviance Age Reverse Day Repair. Next, I will be prepping my skin with Dermalogica Hydro Blur Primer for a lasting makeup finish. I love this primer because it's lightweight and non-greasy and it blurs away my fine lines and pores. For foundation, I'll be using Lancome's Tinted Ideal Ultra Wear Foundation. This liquid foundation is oil-free, long-wearing that gives me a velvety smooth complexion for up to 24 hours. And for concealer, I will be using Lancome's All-One Concealer. It's a great product that hydrates and is full coverage. It brightens any dark areas under my eyes and covers imperfections without leaving it cakey and creasing. To set my face, I will be using Laura Mercier's Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I use this every day. It delivers a soft focus that subtly blurs any fine lines and imperfections. For this cottagecore look, I want to add more dimension by using my Lancome's bronzer. I've had this forever and it delivers a natural sun-kissed glow for all season long. I like to touch it along my forehead, under my cheekbones, and along my jawline. I really can't help myself. I love adding contour to my face. I'm going to go ahead and use Lancome's Tint Ideal Ultra Wear Makeup Stick and go over my cheekbones, at the top of my head, and along my nose. For my nose contour, I'll be sculpting along my natural nose shape and emphasizing the divot. I will do that by creating a dot right above my nostril and bringing it up towards the tip and then connecting the two sides along my nose bridge. I will add more structure between my brows and I will use my little beauty blender to blend in the product and go along my nose bridge and continue the contour. And to make sure that I have that bronze sun-kissed look, I'm going to go over with my Lancome bronzer one more time. To add colors to my cheeks, I will be using the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2 from Juvia Place. I will use the shade right here to create a flushed, blushed look. It has like a dusty pink shimmer to it. For this cottagecore look, when it comes to blush, the more the merrier. We want to emphasize the high points of the cheekbones along the forehead and dust your nose a little bit with that blush to give you that beautiful flushed glow. For brows, let's fill it in with the brow powder from Billion Dollar Brows. It will help you get defined brows that still look natural. I'll be working with my natural brows and emphasize the head of the brows up just a bit, fill in the arch, and then work towards the tail end of my brows using upward strokes to make sure any of my unruly brows stick to the rules. I want to keep them in place by using Benefit's 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel and Clear. For my eyes, I'm going to be using this medium brown tone and bring it into the inner corner of my eyes and then also blend it upwards into my crease shape and blend it outwards to create a soft C shape. To add some metallic and shimmery pop to the middle of my eyelids, I will be using this product from L'Oreal Paris called Brilliant Eyes Liquid Eyeshadow. Color is in Rose Gem and it's so pretty and it adds just the right amount of fairy sparkle. To deepen the inner and outer corner of my eyes, I will be using this shade called #Dobic, and it is the perfect color, a darker brown with some shimmer to add additional layer of depth to my doe-like eyes. You can use any products that you have on hand or in your collection to produce this look. To emphasize our lower lash line, use that brown tone that we used at the very beginning of this makeup stage and line that along your bottom lash. Next, we're going to emphasize the middle of your lash line with the liquid eyeshadow and that metallic, beautiful amber sheen. The eyeliner I'll be using is from Lauren Conrad's beauty collection called the Eyeliner. I love the liquid tip. It just glides on so smooth with precision and it creates such a wonderful cat eye. And with a white or flesh tone eyeliner, use it on your waterline, which will open up the eye and create the illusion of bigger eyes. Doing this one simple technique will give your eyes a sweet, big, fairy doe-like eye look. The white eye pencil I will be using is from Christian Dior called Blanc or White. And for mascara, I will be using Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes on my bottom lids and add a few coats on the top. It will volumize and lengthen your lashes, making them appear bigger. This look is pretty with lashes just like this for mascara for a more natural cottagecore look. However, using falsie gives it a dramatic and also fantasy vibe to it, and so for this look I'm going to be adding false eyelashes. Which look do you prefer? For lashes, I will be using Ardell's Extensions Fix. It gives an eye-opening effect and it's best for eyes with the deep set or almond eyes. For my lips, I will be using a lipstick from the Vice Urban Decay collection in the color Art Walk. I will slightly overline my lips and then I will fill it all in. This lipstick is in a beautiful matte finish, but it's absolutely creamy and hydrating. The pigmented color is long wearing and I just love the precision tip. Then I'm going to use another lipstick color from the Vice Urban Decay collection in the color Naked. It is a dusty rose color and it's going to add more depth to my lip color look. And to get a golden glow on this cottagecore look, I am using a product from Becca Cosmetics. It's called their Liquid Light Highlighter in the color Ignite, and it has a beautiful creamy finish. It glides on so well. It's high impact and it gives the perfect shimmery sun-kissed look. And for gloss, I will be using Urban Decay's Plumping Shine Balm in the color Coconut Water. To add to this cottagecore aesthetic, I'm going to curl my hair, creating curls that are romantic and soft. While I am finishing up curling my hair, I want to tell you more about the cottagecore makeup look. When it comes down to this fairy-esque aesthetic, it can be toned down as you like or more glammed up and fantasy-like as you wish. There are really no rules. My rule is to just have some fun. Here's my cottagecore fairy in the garden makeup look. I hope you love my rendition of a fairy tale-esque look. This look is great for so many occasions, and why not wear it every day? My name is Debbie Savage, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!